considering relocating or working in Saudi Arabia. In this video, we'll walk through how Saudi Arabia defines tax residency, who's subject to income tax, and how it applies differently to residents and non-residents. Saudi Arabia does not impose income tax on individuals. Instead, its tax system primarily affects foreign companies and individuals through Zakat, corporate tax, and withholding tax. According to Saudi tax law, an individual is considered a tax resident if they meet either of the following: spend 183 days or more in the kingdom during a 12-month period, have a permanent place of residence in Saudi Arabia and are present for at least 30 days in a tax year. While personal income isn't taxed, residency status matters for business and investment income. Residents are taxed on Saudi-sourced income, especially if they own or operate a business. Non-residents may still face withholding tax on Saudi income, such as royalties or services. If you're setting up a business or receiving income through a company, your residency can impact the tax rate applied. Saudi companies owned by foreigners are generally subject to 20% corporate income tax on their profits. Saudi-owned companies are subject to Zakat, a form of religious levy, instead of corporate tax. Mixed ownership companies may be subject to both Zakat and income tax, depending on the ownership structure. Saudi Arabia has signed several double taxation agreements to avoid taxing the same income in two countries. These treaties can affect how tax is withheld or reported if you have income in multiple jurisdictions. To summarize, Saudi Arabia does not tax personal income. Residency affects business and investment tax obligations. 183 days or 30 days with permanent home equals resident. Corporate tax, Zakat, and withholding tax apply in specific cases. Tax treaties may offer relief from double taxation. Use the Pebbles app to track your time in Saudi Arabia and other countries automatically. It helps you stay compliant with tax rules without the guesswork. Check the link in the description for the full guide to Saudi Arabia's tax residency.